Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn very short and easy speech on 5 things I will do to make India the most developed country in the world by 2047. Good morning respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Meera. Today, I am honored to speak on the topic 5 things I will do to make India the most developed country in the world by 2047. First, I will work towards providing quality education and skill development for all. Second, I will support better healthcare facilities across the country. Third, I will encourage science, technology, research, and innovation. Fourth, I will promote environmental protection, cleanliness, and renewable energy. Fifth, I will support modern infrastructure and sustainable development. I believe that the development of India depends on the progress of its people. With unity, dedication, and hard work, we can build a strong, prosperous, and developed India by 2047. Thank you.